Hey, it's Kim at Geranium Lake Flowers. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Guess what? Today we're going to build a fall wreath from foraged material. It's so awesome. Anybody can do it. So first up, you start with a wreath ring. I have a 12-inch ring because it fits most doors, and I actually recycled this from an old wreath. Then you go out and collect your materials. I have all sorts of things today: bay leaves, little rose hips. I have small ones, some large ones. I have this cool eucalyptus, but fall leaves, Chinese lanterns, anything really that's local to your region. I mean, really, the supply is endless. So then we have a quick tip. You start by prepping your little bundles, and our quick tip, rather than using wire, you go ahead and use zip ties, right? You're like, zip ties? Yeah, so you take your little bundle. This is the bay leaf, and you might want to cook your leg of lamb afterwards. And you put a little zip tie on it. I'm using black, just because, I don't know, it blends in, but you can also use clear. I have clear right here. And then you go around this little bunch of moss. So this is green sphagnum moss. Another quick tip is we wet the moss because it looks nice and plump. So check this out. So you put the first bundle on and then flip this long thing, right? And oh, it's looking so cute already. And then you lay your second bundle on top of it. I'm going to use a little kind of red huck twigs that are actually kind of dried out, but they look really pretty on top of that. So see that? I take the bundle and I lay it on top, and it looks fabuloso. So then you take another zip tie, and this one I don't think I necessarily have to use the moss. So you can kind of see how I'm building it, and I'm just going to keep going. Okay, see how fast this is going? Amazing, right? Okay, so for my last piece, I'm going to use this kind of piece of branch, and I'm going to put the zip tie and the moss around it. So can you see that? Here, let me clear off my table a little bit. So I put the branch at the bottom. Got it? It looks kind of asymmetrical, and it will give us a place to rest some mini pumpkins on. And for these, you can either glue them on. I don't have my glue gun heated up, so we can put it right there, or you can actually wire them in. It depends on what kind of pumpkin you have. These are a little bit hard, but so I think I would probably glue with that. So that's it. So do you love it? So keep it loose, keep it fun. So I just made a super kind of fun, fluffy raffia bow. I folded it and then cut it at the end and then kind of poofed it up. And then you can kind of put it at the bottom here, and it makes it look a lot more fun. And you can kind of see this little white pumpkin looks amazing. Obviously I need to glue it. So anyway, that's it. Thank you so much. Be sure and follow us, share, and press the little alert button and like us. Till next time, I love you. Bye.